Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 12 of Gazabellz and right now my body is so sore from me trying to do that K-pop dance yesterday. Oh man, I need to work out a lot more. But today we are going to be celebrating my dad's birthday today. If you're wondering where Carlito's at.
Where is he?
I know exactly what Carlito
He's right here.
Alright, we did not get you a birthday card, but who needs that?
Birthday card's overrated.
If you want a birthday card, we can all freestyle one on the spot.
Exactly. We can all say some words.
Yep.
Would you like that, Father?
Excellent.
Father.
Who shall be first?
I'll go first. Father, happy 56th birthday. And the 56th. Love you, man.
That's how you chose to use your space. Okay.
Your turn.
Oh, happy birthday, Dad. I love you so much. You're such a great dad.
Wow, try
Good
hard.
job.
The love of my life.
Oh my god. It's so dramatic.
I love you so very much. My love runs so deeply for you.
Oh my god.
Deeper than this.
This is Shakespeare. Amazon box.
Woo! So many things from Amazon.
Is this a short sleeve or a long sleeve?
It's a short sleeve.
Blue.
Oh, it's blue?
Oh, it's blue. That's
Navy
nice.
Blue.
Yeah,
So
that's
it's
a
got
good
some
deal.
weight to it. Whatever this is, it's got some weight to it.
It's a book.
Really? I thought it was very hollow.
That's another Constitution book.
It's got some
Right.
really weight to it.
It's a book.
Let's see what this is. The Godfather.
Not exactly.
The real father. I like this. Is this a Jazmine thing?
Yes.
That's cute, Jazmine. That is really
Dude,
cute.
I don't know. You
So I can
gotta
take
jump
this
up
out
here
and use
first.
this for my grilling.
Yes.
You have to
I
commit
like
first.
that.
Come on.
That is really nice.
You have to commit up here first.
Thank you, sweetie. That's
What do you mean? Which one that I picked out?
I guess so. I guess it has
I
to
just
be
literally
one.
showed it to you.
Yeah, I guess it has to
But this is our archive.
probably could have used this real
Yeah,
nice,
so the
actually.
Kevin Hart special. He went to this whole segment, but basically BOP stands for
Break up the pizza.
Brick Oven Pizza.
Oh.
Your host is here.
That looks nice.
Yeah,
That looks
yeah.
fancy. Look,
Yeah.
open it. You gotta open. Do the inside. Do the inside.
Yeah.
Do, oh,
We out
yeah.
here. We out here.
The heater's so loud. I hope it's not affecting the audio. I apologize if it is. But this is my outfit for today. We're about to go to the grocery store to pick up some ingredients to cook dinner tonight. And I also want to look at Christmas decorations too as well. But I wanted to put more effort into my look today to make me feel better. So I'm wearing this sweater dress that I got from Shein. This belt that I got from Yes Style. I'm not too crazy about this neck. Pretty thick. I kind of wish it was a little bit lower. I'm wearing my Gucci tights. But I'm wearing my knee-high boots. I couldn't bother wearing heels today. Especially since my legs are very sore. So, and so then I got my Tory Burch purse right here with my phone sticking out. And then my earrings are from En Route Jewelry. And it's the Best Dressed collection.
Alright, for me, I'm wearing a Lacoste pullover gray sweatshirt, 32 degrees undershirt, long sleeves, keeping me kind of warm, you know, and then a Costco t-shirt underneath it.
You here?
Okay.
Oh, wait. Are you recording?
Yes.
Okay.
It's another red wine. Been getting a lot of red. Dad, you like Merlot?
No.
Oh.
I don't use jalapeno, so it don't have the same.
See.
this.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Yeah. It tastes better than the other one that we tried yesterday.
I got one yesterday. Wasn't that great?
I'm scared for a moment.
I'm pretty sure you got it on backwards. And I'm sure you pretty got it on backwards too, because it has pockets.
Hard to tell.
Just saying.
That is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Pa'alam!